I got it.
I want to know some dollars for the round. See them argue over and they rush here. See them how we got the next girl we are on us. Say they need to do them here.
This car blocked my. It blocked my amazing video capture. So.
Can you sing that part of it? Me too rich for me too nice for eat.
This is Jamaica, not Belize.
That's right.
Hi. Where are you from?
Belize.
Oh, from Belize? Okay. And you? What's your name? Sorry?
Marie.
Mary. Okay. You from Belize too?
Yeah.
Hey guys, see how Belize girls are cute?
Look how beautiful.
Yeah, hey, say hello to my camera. Yeah, Maro. Oh, nah, I think that's
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Belize.
So in this video, talking about how we found women in Belize, man. They were really, I would say, before even I do this video, I have nothing against women. I'm just like talking my own experience because I'm like a single guy who travels, man. And as a single guy, it's nice always to meet beautiful girls from all over the world, get to interact with them, get to know what they like, and try to even compare like, wow, what did I see in Africa? What am I seeing in Latin America? What am I seeing in Central America? And man, I'm here to tell you about Belize women, what we found out. For us, it was more like, it's that place, let's say if you want to date a Belizean, it's that place that you need time. You need like maybe a week.
Not cute, but
What? Yeah, you know they are laughing, so I can't tell what they mean by that.
just go to the club to find some girls there. They're always there.
And you gotta dance right.
Yeah.
So if you don't know how to dance, you can't find a girl, or how is it like?
Could I stand up in a corner and drink it?
What is the best way to approach a girl here? It's like, hey mommy, or hey.
Really, I can't approach a girl here right now because all females find it offended. So,
Oh.
yeah.
I promise you, if you stay in Belize a week and you're like this guy who is outgoing, you talk to people in the streets and everything, I promise you, you'll find a girl. I promise you, you'll find a girl. And and many girls, even we did the interview about dating in Belize, and the girls told us if you want to find girls, all you have to do is go to a club. So people generally believe like if you go to a club in Belize, you'll find a girl. Or in other words, is many single girls try to go to clubs to find guys there. That's like what we found on the ground. I have nothing against like their dating culture and anything, but I'm just trying to tell you, if you're going to Belize, the best way to do it is go to a club and you'll meet some beautiful girls. Like how I went to a club and my friend, I'm the only major, or the only one major, okay? The only one major. We went to a club with him, and man, we had like good time. There were too many beautiful girls.
There's nothing to be shy about. I promise.
I'm not used to all this music.
Hey, let me tell you.
Oh my God.
All types, like all sizes, all skin tones. They were just in Belize, man, and it was super amazing. And my take is, man, if you're going to Belize, ensure at least you stay a week. Yeah. And also when I was walking in the streets alone in Belize, I met really cute girls. Even we hit on others, like we talked to some girls in the street. They were so nice. They gave us our face. They gave us their Facebook and Instagram. It was really, like, it was just like so beautiful. It was so nice, and we didn't feel like any racial segregation. One thing is Belize has all these type of races, so you don't feel like you don't belong. Yeah, not unless maybe you have some type of lifestyle, maybe you are shining with bling bling and everywhere, like, you know, popping and bouncing in the street. Maybe that's when they discover, like, hey, maybe this guy is not from here. But generally, I would say even we looked more Belizean than anybody will think we are not from Belize. And
so this is what they do. If you're driving a green,
so that could be a plus or a minus depending how you look at it, because sometimes many girls, when you approach them, especially in the club, they may think you're Belizean. They'll be like, oh, this guy is another guy who wants to hit on me. Or she may be like, this Belizean guy, what is he after me? You know, but again, if you introduce yourself as a foreigner, it can be good because they'll be like, wow, man, oh, look at this guy, is from this side. But you have to introduce yourself. That's what I'm trying to say. You have to introduce yourself, tell them, hey, I'm this, this and this. But it's good for us. We walked in the streets. We were walking in the streets. We saw some really cute girls, me and my friend, the only one major. And we said, hey, guys, excuse us. We want to talk to you. We want to get to know you. We want to do an interview with you. The sun was really like hot, but they said yes to us. So, man, yeah, Belize. That's my take about Belize. And just go there. Just be very positive, open mind. Talk to them in the streets, in clubs, yeah, in supermarkets, anywhere, man. Just do it. Don't be afraid. They're very positive and they will listen to you. That's my take. Bye for now, man. Subscribe. Please give the video a like. Subscribe, share, man, to at least 5 of your friends. Hit that bell notification, man. You're missing my videos because you don't have the bell notification. Hit that bell notification. More videos are coming from Belize. Bye. Cuba is calling. Colombia is calling. Man, you have all reasons to subscribe, or you have all reasons to be a subscriber to this YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next one, my guys. And bye for now. Yeah. Bye. Belize. Guys, that was the end of the video, and we're ending it here with Bakari. Man, what do you think about Belize nightlife?
You know, after night one, I could say they're definitely lit.
Yeah.
It's very
It's
vibrant.
a potential place, right?
Yeah. They know how to party. The girls they like to dance. So
and they come
really
really like shining, like they know how to dress.
Yeah,
and
they
everything.
dress good. And they are aggressive a little
Yeah,
bit. With their dance, they love.
Yeah, they're very aggressive. Yeah, it's true, man.
Definitely a lot of influence from
Jamaica,
and even Africa.
Yeah, it's a mix of Caribbean,
yeah,
and also Latin. Like
Latin,
three influences. Jamaica is the main, Africa then
a little
Latin.
U.S. because they speak the language.
Yeah,
so they played all the Drake, the new stuff.
Yeah,
at the club, and you guys are gonna see the footage, man.
Yeah,
I mean, shit. The girls are stupid beautiful out here. Yeah.
I feel like it's a place where if you give yourself like a week, you can hunt down something good. You know, like you can.
Yeah.
We are very new here, man. We are very new here, so even everything, it's for us, it's like new. And let's give a shout out to the guys we met today, our subscriber.
On the beach.
Icot, Icot, man. Thank you for meeting us today.
Man. Good combo. Nice.
With your wife too, man. Everybody, we say thank you, and bye, guys. And we're ending the video right there.
Right.
Ciao. Yeah, check his Instagram, and if you have some questions, he can help you.
I've been a lot of places. working on doing some more videos. So you
Yeah,
guys can see
yeah,
this
yeah,
stuff.
yeah,
I got
yeah.
a lot of footage that I keep to myself.
This guy, can I say you're lazy? Can I say you're lazy?
Yeah. I'm
You
so lazy.
You should, man.
I'm so lazy.
Release the videos. Yeah, guys. So bye and see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.